Hi, I'm Dave from Dave's Concoctions and Boozing with Boomers. I created an Eagles elixir to help the Eagles fly, which I will make quickly for you today. We will start with half an ounce of Bowles Blue Curacao. Then we will add 3/4 of Cocchi Americano Bianco. And lastly, we will have 1.5 ounces of Sazerac Rye Whiskey, which will magically transform this cocktail. Then we will stir with ice. And you need to do it for 30 seconds, which is the same amount of time for the Eagles fight song. I will pour for you. And enjoy. Oh, wait a minute. Where's my glass? Aha, here it is. Now this is a proper cocktail glass for an Eagles fan. It's a Philly thing. Go Eagles!